cash is not king. There is a king, and it is not cash. Cash is garbage, okay? Cash flow now would be a different conversation. Constant cash flow. Look, cash is going down in value. In fact, I want to give you something. I did a little study this morning. In 1960, okay, this is a conversation everybody here, if you want to know more about money, you have to figure this out, okay? In 1960, if I had $1,000, and then I come out to 2018, how much money, how many thousands of dollars do you think I would need in 1960 to buy the same services today as in 1960? I was born in 1958, by the way. 8,000. What was the number? Actually, I had the number pulled up for you guys. Actually, it's on my desk, guys. If y'all can pull it up, it's on my desk on a piece of paper. I was getting ready for this show. In 1992, this $1,000, and you take it out to 2018, you would need $1,744 to buy the same goods and services. Okay, this was $8,269. So now this is really, really important. Don't get lost here. You're like, what just happened here? Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you a very simple, very, very simple, and I'm going to explain to you what Warren Buffett says only a handful of people on planet Earth understand. It's called inflation. There's $1,000, and I'm just going to pull off what looks like 8. Yeah, that's 8. I got to add 1. It's short 100, okay? I wonder how close I am. Maybe somebody can count this out, okay? Okay. Now, in 1960, when I was 2 years old, this is what it took. You could go with $1,000 and you'd buy whatever, washing machine, dryer, car payments, house payments, blah, blah, blah. If you wanted to buy those items today, those same items today, this is the understanding of inflation, you would need 8 times the money to purchase the same products, okay? So what happened? Okay, ask yourself this question. $1,000 in 1960 is worth what today? If I had $1,000, put it in my drawer in 1960, came back 57 years later, 58 years later, and grabbed it, how much money would be in the drawer? Same $1,000 is in there. Nothing happened to the $1,000, you understand? We still have $1,000. This is inflation simplified. This is what they don't teach you at school, right? $1,000 in 1950 and 8 is 1960 is $1,000 in 2018. The difference, however, is this bought this product right here, okay? And by 2018, it didn't buy the same product. It bought 1/8 of the products. Okay, now what does that mean to you? That means cash is right? Because what happened to these products? These products went up in price. These products went up 8 times while money went down. Or that went up and this stayed the same. However you want to figure it out. But cash is not king, folks, okay? Cash is not king. In fact, you'd have probably been better off buying $1,000 worth of real estate back in 1960 and getting rid of your dough. Because what do you think that piece of property would be worth today if it was in a decent location? My name's Grant Cardone. You're in the Cardone Zone. We challenge the way you think about the economy, your career, and your finances. And if you don't have any finances, you stay close to me on Fridays and I'll promise you, I will get your money right, okay? Don't go anyplace.